And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the other Gundams who appeared in the last episodes of the season 2 of Gundam Witch from Mercury. We have Gundam Schwarzette. Yes. So taking a look at the box art, we see here Gundam Schwarzette up in space, displaying his big sword that can turn into a gun, which is actually a sheath for another sword. And moving on to the side, we have Gundam Schwarzette here. Yep, put in focus. Some poses you can do with him, and of course the gimmicks that it has. And off to the other side, we see Gundam Schwarzette, front and back. We see that Lauda was the pilot of this one, and details of Lauda and details of the show, and other details. So let's take a look what's inside the box. First, we're getting off with one bag with sticker sheet, two sprues, one all white and one multicolored. Second bag with another sticker sheet, one violet, grayish, and one clear sprue, and lastly the instruction manual. And like what the other Gundam Witch from Mercury instruction manuals, yes, it already tells you what sprues you need only for what part you are going to build. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. It has white, it has black, it has clear, pink, and a pink part. Yep. So this is the A sprue. We have the B sprue, which is all white, and you can see here this is, I think, the sheath or the gun for Schwarzette. So that's this B sprue. We then have the C, which is actually well, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it looks like a grayish violetish shade for me. So for the inner frames and whatnot, so that's the C sprue. And lastly, we have the D sprue, which is all clear, smoky, clear black. Yep. And then we have the sticker sheets, 1 and 2 sticker sheets. So yeah, only a few parts for this Gundam. Surprisingly, only 4. And more stickers. Actually, with the stickers, this is much thicker than this one. This is really 4 stickers, but this one is not just really foil, but there's like a thickness to it. So that's what's inside the box of it. And of course, we can't forget with the instruction manual, where you can see how to pose Schwarzette differently. And yes, that is really what's inside, Gundam fans and folks, of the 1/144 HG Gundam Schwarzette Witch from Mercury. And if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and hitting that notification bell. And this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you and thank you.